Hello everyone, it's me Chebi from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you best free app to blur or mask any human faces and moving objects in Android smartphone or tablet. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now you can see my Android home screen. So firstly just open the Play Store, and in the Play Store just search for one application named as Blur Video Sensor Face or Object. Just search this application, and now you can see here Blur Video by Colorshop. Now tap on install to install this application. Now click on open. Now you can see here at the bottom select video or save videos. So here we're gonna click on the select video. Now select the respective video that is being saved or stored on your phone storage. Now it's loading, wait for a few seconds. So finally the video has been loaded. Now at the bottom you will see here various options like track faces, track object or track manually. So depending upon your needs you can select the various options. So here I'm gonna use the first option, that is a track faces. So if I click on this track faces, it will start analyzing. So you can see here it's auto tracking the human faces. So finally the analyzing has been completed. Now if you're not satisfied, then you can tap on the respective thumbnail at the bottom, say the face. So just tap it here. Now you can trim it also depending upon your needs. And now if you want to adjust the size of the mask or blur, then just tap on this upper thumbnail. So here you can see, and just use your finger to drag the size of the mask or blur option. So it's just one here. So let us try to play again. So once you are satisfied, you can see at the bottom export, just click on it. Now here you will see our various options like light, medium and hard, how much blur intensity you want to add. So I will just select the light. So it's processing. Now finally the process has been completed. Now you can click on save. Now your exported video will be saved on the respective gallery application. Now let us check by playing the video. So now you can see it has perfectly blurred the human faces. So you can see it has perfectly blurred the moving human faces. So in my opinion, it's one of the best free app to blur or mask any human faces and moving objects in Android smartphone or tablet. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.